にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 58 of JLPT N4 about 命令形. This is imperative form. Today you're gonna see lots of verbs. So it's really good to review all these verbs or to learn some new verbs. At first we're gonna see this word 命令. This is a noun. The meaning is command, order, and the verb 命令します to command, to order. This is why 命令形, this is the imperative form of the verbs. This is used when you want to command someone to do something. This 命令形 has got a very strong connotation, so you must be very careful when using. It sounds quite offensive and rude. So this is used almost always by men. Women usually don't speak with 命令形. Even if you are women, we must learn this 命令形 because we must understand it. It's mostly used by people in the position of authority to their subordinates. So it's used in military orders. In the second case, this is also used between friends or enemies. So not only from the authority to the subordinates, between friends too. This is quite blunt and informal. So when someone is very angry or desesperated, then they might speak with 命令形. And when we use this particle よ in the end, after the 命令形, after this imperative form and よ, and this softens the meaning. So this is less aggressive and it is used among friends. The third case when we use 命令形, 3番目, this is the instructions for emergencies such as earthquakes, tsunami, fire. In these cases, instructions are used in 命令形. 4番目, the fourth. In this case, also women talk in 命令形. This is when we want to encourage someone or to give instructions during the group exercise or during group training. 5番目, the fifth. We also use 命令形 in the signs such as traffic signs, road signs. Signs, we say 標識 like this. In this case, the verb is 止まります 止まる to stop. But 止まれ here 止まれ this means this is the imperative form stop. Now let's see how to form imperative form in Japanese 命令形. I think you already know we've got 3 groups of Japanese verbs, group 1, group 2, group 3. But if you're not sure about it, you can watch my grammar video number 59 and number 60 of JLPT N5. Now the first group, group 1, for example, 行きます, the verb to go. This is group 1. Without ます, then this is 行き. This is the root of the verb 行き. So always this sound is E. And this E must change to A sound. So E, here かきくけ. So 行け. 行け, this is the imperative form of 行きます. 行け. It means go. 行け. To hurry up. 急ぎます. Without ます, ぎがぎぐげ. 急げ. Hurry up. 急げ. Hurry up. 急げ. To return, to give back. 返します. Without ます, し. So さしすせ. 返せ. Give it back. To return home. 帰ります. So without ます, り. らりるれ. 帰れ. Go home. Go back home. To write. 書きます. Now you know, without ます、き、かきくけ、かけ。Right, 頑張ります。To do my best, to do one's best. Then ます。then り、頑張り、らりるれ、れ、頑張れ、頑張れ、頑張れ、頑張れ。This means hang in there, you can do it. The verb to kill, 殺します。So this is in the scene in the movie. 殺せ、kill him. The verb to look for, to search for, 探します。In this case, 探せ、探せ、look for it. 探せ、探せ。The verb to die, 死にます。何ぬね、死ね、死ね。We should never say this, but maybe we can hear this in anime. 死ね、die, or go to hell. The verb to get on, for example, to get on a bus, to get on a train, or get in a car, or to ride something に乗ります。And if you say 乗れ、乗れ、get on, or get in, 乗れ。The verb to enter, to go in, 入ります。入ります。So this must be to れ。入れ、入れ。go in. To run, 走ります。走ります。So 走れ、走れ、走れ、走れ。run, run, run. The verb to wait, 待ちます。And here, ち、立ちつて。So ち must change to て、待て。待て、wait, 待て、待て、待て、hold on, 待て。Here, be careful with intonation. When we say 待って with small つ、待って、this is て form of the verb 待ちます。待って、this is also wait for me, 待って。But this is not so offensive. But when we say 待て、待て without any small つ、待て、待て、it means hold on. Verb to protect, or also to keep one's promise, 守ります or to keep rules, 守ります。keep the promise, 約束を守れ、約束を守れ。to have a rest, to take a break, 休みます。and this me, we must change to め、まみむめ。休め。have a rest, 休め。This word 休め、休め is used in, for example, in karate training. In this case, 休め. This means relax. やります the verb to do. But the difference between やります and します I have a video number 39 of grammar video 39 of JLPT N4. Do it. But in this case, I imagine something very bad. So it's like, kill him. Do it. Like this. やれ。やれ。The verb to read. 読みます。So, read. 読め。Group 1. The verb to carry, to transport, to convey. 運びます。運びます。So this is without must be, バビブベ、運べ。Move the body. Corpse, dead body. 死体。死 comes from 死にます。to die. This 体、体。body, the dead body. 死体を運べ。死体を運べ。Now group 2. This is much easier. Without must, you change to ろ、らりるれろ。Then this is imperative form. The verb to give up. 諦めます。諦めます。So this is group 2. Without must, 諦めろ。諦めろ。Give it up. 諦めろ。As I explained to you before, all of these verbs we can use with the last one with よ。And this is the conversation between friends, the male friends. And this is very soft. It's not so offensive. For example, 諦めろよ。諦めろよ。It means, leave it. Let it go. Open the door. Open the door. ドアを開けろ。ドアを開けろ。ドアを開けろ。The verb to think. Think. 考えます。And maybe you are thinking,思います is also to think. What's the difference? Then you can watch my grammar video number 106 of JLPT N5. Think yourself. 自分で考えろ。自分で考えろ。自分で考えろ。自分で考えろよ。The verb to answer. 答えます。Answer the question. 質問に答えろ。質問に答えろ。質問に答えろよ。To search, to investigate, to look up. 調べます。調べます。そう。Look it up. 調べろ。調べろ。The verb to throw away. 捨てます。そう。Throw it away. 捨てろ。捨てろよ。To rescue, to assist, to aid. 助けます。Then rescue him. 助けろ。Go to sleep early. 早く寝ろ。早く寝ろよ。To begin, to start. 始めます。So we that ます。始めろ。始めろ。The verb to show, to show something. 見せます。So show it, show me. 見せろ。The verb to stop. やめます。やめます。So やめろ。やめろ。Cut it out. Knock it off. Stop it. やめろ。The verb to forget. 忘れます。忘れます。So, forget it. 忘れろ。忘れろよ。Now let's see some irregular second group verbs such as います。And I explained you about this in my grammar video number 60 of JLPT N5. The verb います to be the persons. So, be here, stay here. ここにいろ。ここにいろ。The verb to get up. 起きます。This is also the second group. So, 起きろ。Get up. The verb to put on clothes, to wear. 着ます。And this is also group 2. Put this on. これを着ろ。これを着ろ。これ着ろ。The verb to believe and to trust. This is also group 2. 信じます。Trust me. Believe me. 俺を信じろ。俺を信じろ。I use this word 俺 to say myself because the 俺 it means I or me but usually used by men. And also in this case in the imperative form this is quite rude way. So 俺 is suitable. To see, to look at. 見ます。And this is also group 2. Look at that. あれを見ろ。あれを見ろ。あれを見ろよ。Now, one exception, the verb くれます。To give me. To give me. And in the polite form, please give me ください。ください。But in the imperative form, this is group 2. So you may think くれろ. But this doesn't exist. Not くれろ, but くれ。Only くれ。くれ。Give me. At last, the last one, the group 3, します and 来ます。します、しろ。しろ。来ます、来い。来い。So the pronunciation with 来い。come. 来い。bring it. 持ってこい。bring him. 連れてこい。drive a car. 運転しろ。to resolve, to solve, to fix. 解決します。So, fix it. 解決しろ。The verb to prohibit. 禁止します。So, prohibit it, forbid it. 禁止しろ。This is the verb 反省します。This means to think about what I've done badly. I did something wrong. Then, I regret. This is 反省します。Think what you've done so badly. 反省しろ。反省しろよ。To respond, to reply, to answer. 返事します。Answer me. 返事しろ。To contact, to get in touch with. 連絡します。Get in touch. Hit me up. 連絡しろ。 連絡しろよ。Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese, always using with 命令形imperative forms. I explained all of the verbs that you must use in this small quiz. 1番目、investigate this case, incident, murder. These kind of things, 事件。2番目、show the proof, evidence, 証拠。3番目、get in this car。4番目、hurry, find the culprit, a criminal person, 犯人。5番目、最後です。come right away. The adverb right away at once. すぐ or すぐに both are okay. You've just learned how to form imperative forms in Japanese, and you also reviewed lots of verbs, so I think this video was good for you. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. いかがでしたか？今日は日本語の命令形の作り方、これを勉強しました。命令形はとても強い表現なので、普通は男の人たちだけが話します。とは言っても、女性に全然関係ないというわけではありません。例えば、グループでスポーツなどをしている時とか、部活、そういう時に命令形で話すことがあります。それに応援する時も、頑張れ、それも命令形です。その他にも、軍隊とか工場などでの指示も命令形を使います。その他に緊急事態、例えば地震とか火事とか津波、そういう時の指示にも命令形を使います。それから交通標識の止まれ、これも命令形です。その他に命令形の後にこの修助詞のよ、これを使うともう少し柔らかい表現になります。例えば、ちょっと待ってよ。お前も飲めよ。そんな言い方です。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いしますね。そしてこれからもこのように頑張っていきますから応援してください。私のチャンネルはあまり知られていないので、できたらぜひお友達とかご家族に紹介してください。お願いします。また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。ぜひまた来てくださいね。じゃあね、またね。